Hello valued customers, thank you for choosing MOVA. In this video, we'll guide you through setting up and using your MOVA Z50 Ultra robot vacuum. First, let's open the box and take out all the accessories. Preparation. Choose an open area with good Wi-Fi signal for the base station. Ensure no objects are within 1.5 meters in front and 0.5 meters on either side of the base station. Connect the power cord. A solid light on the base station indicates a successful connection. To prevent water damage to carpets or solid wood floors, install the base station on tile, stone, or vinyl flooring. Install the base station ramp extension. Remove the protective film from the top cover, sensors, and camera. Pull out the protective strips from the main unit. Remove all protective film before use to avoid operational issues. Install the mop pad and edge mop pad.
Mop pad installed.
Press and hold the power button on the main unit for 3 seconds to turn it on. Dock the main unit to the base station, ensuring its charging contacts face the base.
Starts charging.
A voice prompt confirms successful docking and charging start. Remove the clean water tank and fill it with room temperature tap water. Unscrew the cleaning solution cap and insert the bottle into the base station slot. The solution dispenses automatically during operation. Use only official cleaning solution to prevent clogs. Reinstall the clean water tank into the base station. Connect to app. Take out the robot and open the flip cover. Scan the QR code on the robot or search MOVA Home in the App Store or Google Play Store to download the app. Open the MOVA Home app. If you are using the app for the first time, click Sign Up Now. Register using your mobile number or email address. Please enter the cell phone number, email and click Get Code. Enter the verification code sent to you by MOVA. Set password for your account. For future logins, use your phone number, email, MOVA ID, or third-party login options at the bottom. After logging in, please add your robot to the device list. Remove the flip cover, scan the QR code on the robot. Or you can click Add on the home page to manually add a device from the model list. Follow the app guide to connect to Wi-Fi. Please note that the Wi-Fi mode must be 2.4 GHz or including 2.4 GHz. On web page interface, on app interface. You could also use 2.4 GHz per 5 GHz mixed Wi-Fi, which contains 2.4 GHz. For other brands router, please refer to the instructions on user manual or app to configure the 2.4 GHz or 2.4 GHz per 5 GHz mixed Wi-Fi. Enter the name and password of your Wi-Fi network. Ensure the main unit is powered on, check the box, and tap Next. Press and hold the power button and dock button simultaneously for 3 seconds.
Waiting for the network configuration.
And when you hear the voice prompt, tick the checkbox and click Next. Click the button and join the MOVA Vacuum hotspot on the pop-up window. If you can't join the hotspot in the previous step, please open the Wi-Fi list and manually search for the hotspot MOVA Vacuum and connect to it. Then return to app interface following the voice instruction. Keep your phone and robot close to the router while waiting for connection confirmation. A solid Wi-Fi light on the main unit indicates a successful connection. Tap Me in the bottom right corner, then go to Settings. Check About and check whether the app version is updated to the latest. First time use Map Settings. Go back to the home page and click Enter, then click the ellipsis icon in the upper right corner to enter settings. Go to Voice Assistant and toggle it on. Wake the robot with Hey MOVA 4 voice commands. Set language, volume, and recognition preferences. Before mapping for the first time, please tidy up the surrounding area, clear clutter, remove loose or fragile items. You can choose Start Fast Mapping or just start all cleaning by tapping Clean to build a map. In Fast Mapping mode, the robot will quickly scan the house environment to generate a map. In all cleaning mode, the robot will start cleaning directly and build a map during the cleaning process. Please make sure the robot starts and returns to the base station during its first mapping process. Please do not move the robot or base station during this process to avoid mapping failures. On this page you can edit the map and the special areas such as furniture, virtual wall, no-go zone, virtual threshold, ramp and curtain on the map recognized by the robot. Clicking on virtual threshold, ramp allows you to add passable, impassable thresholds and ramps on the map in order to let robot act differently regarding different types of threshold, ramp. You could zoom in, out and drag the map. After you're done placing the threshold, ramp, click the upper right corner heavy checkmark to save it. Please note that you should not set the passable threshold near any staircase, since it may cause damage from falls. After setting thresholds, tap curtain to mark curtain areas for under, behind cleaning. If you edit furniture, enable furniture icons under map display to see changes. If the auto cleaning order isn't ideal, customize it under cleaning sequence. For multiple floors, go to multi-floor map management. Multi-floor cleaning feature requires creating an independent map for each floor. Please move the robot to the designated floor when it's in standby state. There's no need to move the base station. Click on Create Map to start cleaning directly or use fast mapping. The robot will create a map of the current floor, then will return to the starting position after mapping is completed. After the map is created successfully, it is recommended to change the map switching method to intelligent recognition. When the floor needs to be cleaned, you can directly move the robot to the current floor and start new cleaning task. The robot will automatically recognize and switch to the current map. After the cleaning task is completed, the robot will return to the starting position. If the mop needs washing mid-clean, manually return the robot to the base. Place it back within 15 minutes to resume. First time use, cleaning settings. Go back to the home page, click the water drop icon, then you can enter the Clean Genius and the custom page. Click custom to adjust cleaning mode, suction power, mop humidity, and more. You can also set personalized suction and mopping preferences for each area by clicking Customize Room Cleaning. Back to the home page of the device, clicking the dock in the bottom right corner. Configure base settings. Set auto empty to high frequency if you have pets. Note that noise may occur during high-speed rotation of mopping pads during mop washing. It's normal. Go to the home page and click on the ellipsis icon in the upper right corner for more settings. Set carpet cleaning preferences under Carpet Settings. Enter the floor cleaning settings. You can turn on the collision avoidance mode, cleaning along the floor direction. In collision avoidance mode, the robot will reduce the collision on walls, furniture, and obstacles, but the cleaning efficiency and coverage will be reduced. When the cleaning along the floor direction function is turned on, during global cleaning and selective room cleaning, the robot will follow the direction of the floor, reducing scraping against the floor seams. Back to the settings, enter the AI-driven mop extend settings and turn on the AI-driven side reach. The robot will automatically swing out the side brush in the right-angled and low overhanging areas. Set the frequency for side brush extension during cleaning. You can also enter the intelligent obstacle avoidance and turn it on for improved obstacle avoidance. Please note, AI recognition effectiveness improves with usage and software updates. For pets, enable pet recognition under pet care. This increases caution and enables smarter cleaning around pet areas. Turn on the pictures. You can view the pictures of the obstacles recognized by the robot. You can also turn on the fill light. In the low light environment, it will automatically fill light to improve obstacle avoidance and video clarity of the screen. Go to Settings, select More Functions. You can turn on or off Do Not Disturb mode, off-peak charging, resume cleaning mode, child lock and more. Control your robot manually via the remote control feature. These are the instructions for the first time use of MOVA Z50 Ultra.